Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Yes, a beautiful collection of conch from Indian Ocean. Lord Ganesh, left and right trunk folded conch from Indian Ocean. It's a beautiful conch. See, here you can see beautiful Lord Ganesh. Totally conch looking like Lord Ganesh. Here you can see trunk is left folded. And you can see mouth and you can see eye of Lord Ganesh. Beautiful. And when I turn like this, now it looks like a right folding trunk of Lord Ganesh. It's a beautiful conch collected from Indian Ocean, very powerful, gives you full bliss of Lord Ganesh, full bliss of Lord Ganesh. By having this conch with you, all obstacle you are facing will be removed and you will get huge success. And we can do the pujas and abhishek with this conch. Beautiful conch. And nearly it's saying here double tail, two flow of water, here one and here two flowing of water. Beautiful conch. So you can left fold the trunk and you can say eye of Lord Ganesh. Beautiful tiny conch. Turn like this. Now it is a right folding trunk of Lord Ganesh. Beautiful collection from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.